In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your SoFi routing number. This can be really handy if you're setting up direct deposits or making bank transfers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the SoFi app on your phone. It's important to make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience and to avoid any bugs or glitches. Once you're in the app, take a look at the bottom of the screen where you'll find the banking tab. This is your hub for all things related to your SoFi account, including accessing your routing number. Go ahead and tap on that tab. Now, you'll want to pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see 3 dots. These dots are a gateway to more options, so tap on them to proceed. At this point, you'll be able to see your account details. This is where the magic happens. Among the details displayed, you'll find both your routing number and your account number. This is super useful information to have at your fingertips, especially when you need it most. If you need to view your full account number, there's a simple way to do that. Just tap the eye icon next to the account number. This will reveal the full number, ensuring you have all the information you need for your transactions. There's also a handy feature that allows you to copy your routing or account number. Next to each number, you'll see a copy button. Tapping this button will copy the number to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it, whether you're filling out a form or sending the information to someone. And that's it. That's how to find your SoFi routing number. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. And having this information readily accessible can save you a lot of time and hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process a bit easier for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other tips and tricks.